All right, everybody, get ready, because today we are going deep on the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6.
Yeah, foldable phones are getting pretty interesting these days.
Definitely are. We've got all the specs, some really cool AI features, and
Well, we're ready to unpack it all.
that's right. So let's jump right in. First up, we've got to talk about this 12 gigabytes of RAM
Oh, yeah.
and 512 gigabytes of storage.
That's a lot.
It's a lot. Like, seriously, you're not going to be deleting photos to make space on this thing.
Nope, definitely not. I think it's clear that they're aiming for people who want a really powerful phone
Oh, yeah,
without having to compromise on anything,
for sure.
even with that compact design.
Right. And speaking of compact, did you see this screen? 6.7 inches.
It's impressive how they fit that in there.
I know. It's a foldable phone with a 6.7-inch screen. That's amazing.
It really changes things when it comes to watching videos or reading articles.
Or even working, like if you're on the go.
Absolutely. Oh, and don't forget that 120 hertz refresh rate.
Yeah, that's huge.
Super smooth. Everything feels really responsive.
Yeah, definitely makes a difference.
Whether you're scrolling through social media
Or playing games.
especially for gaming, yeah.
Now, we've got to talk about flex mode, because this is where it gets really interesting.
Okay, yeah.
So picture this. You're with a bunch of friends. You want to get a selfie with everyone.
It's always a struggle to get everyone in the shot.
It is, right? Someone's always cut off or something.
Right.
But with FlexCam,
FlexCam, what's that?
you can actually prop your phone up like a little mini laptop, and the AI
Oh, wow.
automatically keeps everyone in the frame, even if people are moving around.
So it's like having someone there making sure everyone's in the picture.
Exactly. No more selfie sticks needed.
I like that.
Yeah. And then there's photo assist.
Okay, tell me about this.
Ever taken a photo and someone photobombed you?
Oh, yeah. All the time.
Or the lighting just wasn't quite right?
Happens to the best of us.
Photo assist can fix all that. You can remove objects, boost colors, sharpen things.
So it's basically a photo editor built into the phone.
Pretty much.
That's pretty standard these days, but
Yeah.
I'm really interested to see how they're using the AI with flex mode.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
A camcorder mode. So you can hold the phone in one hand,
Oh, wow.
like a normal camcorder, and control everything with the other hand.
That's a neat idea.
Yeah. And it uses the phone as its own stand.
Oh, that's cool.
And it has this smooth zoom feature that makes your videos look really professional.
So it's perfect for vloggers.
Definitely. Or anyone who wants to make better videos, really.
Makes sense.
And speaking of stepping things up, how about this interpreter feature?
All right, tell me more.
It can do real-time translation in 16 languages.
Seriously?
Yep. Imagine traveling to a new country, you can just talk to anyone.
Yeah, without needing a freeze book.
Or doing all those awkward hand gestures, yeah.
Real-time translation has been around for a while,
It has, yeah.
but having it built into the phone like that
Oh, and with the split screen feature in flex mode,
makes it much more practical, I bet.
for sure. And then there's flex window. This one's really cool.
Okay, what can you do with that?
You can check your notifications, control music, even reply to texts.
All without opening the phone.
Yep.
That's pretty impressive.
It's like next level multitasking.
You know what's really impressed me about the Z Flip 6?
What's that?
It's not just the individual features, it's how they all come together.
Oh, definitely.
Especially with flex mode, it feels like a very cohesive and unique experience.
Absolutely. And, we haven't even talked about everything.
What else is there?
There's the durability, the customization options, how great it is for gaming.
Oh, right, with that big screen.
Exactly.
It makes you wonder what's next for foldable phones.
For sure. I mean, how do you think this technology will change the way we use phones in the future?
That's a great question and something for all